Good morning, my beautiful people. This is John from USA London. Welcome back to Sunday Talk episode number 98. In this episode, as always, I'm gonna go over 10 questions I received from you guys, and also I have an advice for newcomers to the United States of America. This advice will come from Oprah Winfrey. You're gonna love it. But before I start today's video, I want to wish you guys happy Sunday. I hope your day is going well as planned. Without wasting time, let's get started. Okay. The first question today will come from Wasim Yusuf. Here's the question. Hi, I have one more question. My daughter sponsored me and my wife case is at NVC. All papers are qualified. I just wait for interview. Question is, I have two more children, age are 12 and 14. I'm gonna get green card. Then I will sponsor both of them. It takes the time. I wish to go with us. Can I apply B1, B2 visa for children or any other faster way to go with us? Well, thanks for the question. I think what this viewer or subscriber is asking is that his daughter filed a petition for him and his wife, right? But now they have two children aged 12 and 14. They want to go to the US with those children at the same time, and he is thinking about applying for B1 visa, which is a tourist visa for those kids, so they can go to the United States of America with them, or any other fastest way to take those kids to the US. Well, one thing is that B1 visa is a non-immigrant visa. So if those kids to go to United States of America on that visa, eventually at one point that visa will expire. Where you can extend the visa, but I don't know how many times you're going to spend it, because you have to give a reason before you can extend your visa. For me personally, I think the best thing is just to go to United States of America, become a permanent resident, and then petition for those children. That's what I know. Maybe there is another way. I don't know for sure. If somebody's watching and thinks that there is another way, well, let us know. Okay, let's move to the second question of today's video. This one will come from Daniel K. Thank you, John. Does NVC work for US citizen only? Cause I filed for my parent and I'm a US citizen. Well, NVC is still working on those cases as well. IR5, they are scheduling an interview for those cases. One thing you have to know is that now those type of cases, because parents are immediate relative or U.S. citizen, therefore they are in category 2 when it comes to visa prioritization. Okay, so you just have to wait until the case reach on the front line, so NVC can schedule an interview appointment for your parent. Okay. Third question of today's video. This one will come from Nuruddin Ibrahim. Here's the question. Hi, John. If I may ask, what is going on at the U.S. Embassy in Ghana? I keep on waiting for my spouse interview date. What is the problem? Because if they say spouse are first priority, then what are they waiting for? Well, thanks for the question. Like I just tell the previous viewer, well, immediate relative are in categories 2, right? In category 2. So you just have to wait. There is nothing you're gonna do. There's nothing you're gonna do. One thing you have to keep in mind is that there are a lot of people applying for the same visa you are applying for. Okay, or there are a lot of people in the same visa category as your relative. So if your case doesn't reach the front line, NVC won't be able to schedule any of your appointment for your relative. Okay, you just have to wait. There's nothing else you can do, guys. I keep repeating that every week. You just have to wait. Of course, there's nothing wrong with U.S. Embassy in Ghana. It's everywhere. It's not just Ghana. It's everywhere. So you just have to wait. Hopefully by now your relative gets his or her interview appointment letter. But if not, well, just keep waiting until you receive the letter. Okay, let's move to question number 4. This one will come from Junior Innocent. Excuse me. Junior Innocent asked this question: how long it will take to get your green card and your social security after arriving in the USA? Well, thanks for the question. If you pay your immigrant visa, actually your immigrant fee before you come to United States of America, you will get your green card within 90 days. Within 90 days, okay? But in case you didn't pay your immigrant fee before you come to United States of America, after you pay the fee here in United States of America, it will take more than 90 days to get your green card, okay? As far as social security card, normally if you choose on your DS-260 form that you will receive a social security card once you arrive to United States of America, it will take at least 30 days to get a social security card. If it takes more than 30 days, please reach out to the Social Security Administration, okay? Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Wendy Caffen. Here's the question. Hello, sir. My husband is a green card holder and has been there since 2017, and he did file for me same time last year, and the I-130 hasn't been approved. On the other hand, my in-law's wife traveled to US in 2019, and she filed for her husband, and his form was approved last year ending. I'm from Cameroon. Please, I wish to know what happened. Hello, and thanks for your question. Well, that's a good question. A lot of people have this problem. For me personally, what I think is that maybe it's because of the U.S. office where the I-130 petition was filed, or maybe USCIS asked for additional document. I don't know, because the delay is based on different things. It's based on different things. It's not because you file your I-130 petition before them, and your I-130 petition will be approved before the I-130 petition. So one thing I can ask you is to contact USCIS and see if something's wrong. Maybe they send you an email you didn't see. Maybe they ask for additional document, or you don't know. But in case they didn't ask for additional document, you can at least call them to see if everything is fine with your case. Okay, that's all I can tell you here, because like I said, sometimes the process is a little bit longer than you think, and because of the pandemic also messed up a lot of things. So hopefully by now you guys receive your approval letter from USCIS. Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Junaid Hussein. Here's the question. Can anybody tell me my case is updated to IR1 from permanent resident, and there was my kid in the case, the NVC removed my kid from the case, should I submit another petition for him, or it's okay, they will get an immigrant visa? Please answer me. Well, thanks for your question. By the way, I made a video this week regarding that. When you become a U.S. citizen, what are the advantages and disadvantages of becoming a U.S. citizen after you file an I-130 petition for your relative? You can check that video out. But what happened is, when you were a permanent resident, you can list your children on your wife's application as a derivative applicant. So when you become a U.S. citizen, you have to petition for that child separately. So it's going to be two different petitions, okay? So to answer your question, yes, you have to file another I-130 petition for your kids in order for him or her to come to United States of America on immigrant visa, okay? Let's move to the next question. This one will come from Mar Did. Here's the question. Hi, just a question. What if the mistakes is about educational background of the applicant? Instead of typing graduate, it was typed on undergraduate. Is it important to be corrected at the interview? Thank you for your response. Well, thanks for the question. This question was sent under a video I made about how to correct a mistake on your DS-260 after you file it. So this type of mistake, I don't think is that important, but it's a good thing to take any document that prove that it's about graduate instead of undergraduate. You take that document to the interview, like on your diploma or your degree or something like that, in case the consular officer asks you why you put undergraduate, why you put graduate instead of undergraduate, then you can prove it. Okay, so to answer your question, I don't think it's that important. Let's move to another question here. This one will come from Maria Joselina Hutchin. Here's the question. I have a question. When I signed up with USCIS, I was still single. Now I'm married. Do I have to make a new account since I'm planning to file I-130 for my son? Thanks. Well, thanks for your question. I think you can use the same USCIS online account to file different cases. Okay, in your situation, if you want to update it, maybe to put like you marry. I don't know if there is they ask for your marital status or something like that. I can't remember, but you can open your account and see if you can update it to marry. But other than that, you can use the same USCIS online account to file different cases, to manage different cases. Okay, because attorneys and different representative, they use the same USCIS account to manage different cases. So it's possible to just use the same account. Okay, let's move to another question here. This one will come from Lengat Ezra. Here's the question. Hello John, where do petitioners send documents he upload on computer electronic application center? Does he send them to the applicant so the applicant can take them to embassy, or send them directly to embassy during the interview? Well, thanks for your question. Once you submit all the required documents to NVC, you have to the visa applicant has to take the original of all those documents you submitted to the interview. Okay, that's how it works. So you have to send those documents to the visa applicant, and then the visa applicant will take those documents to the interview. All right, so let's move to another question here, which is going to be the last question of today's video. This one will come from Pastor Brown. Here's the question. How can I pay the fee for this? Actually, this question was sent under a video I made about I-751, which is application to remove a conditional on your green card. Well, for the fee, one thing you have to know, you can go to uscis.gov/I-751, and then on this page, you will see a link to say where to file. There is like arrow, like a down arrow. You click on it, and then you will see on direct filing link. Okay, you click on that and it show you where you're going to send your application. So basically the fee, you're going to make any money order or personal check, make a payable to DHS, Department of Homeland Security, and you have to put that check or money order on your application. Okay, and then send the whole thing, send the whole package to that address. That's how you do it. All right, so guys, like I said at the beginning of this video, I have one good advice for you guys who are newcomers to the United States of America. Not only newcomers, for it goes to you permanent resident and also US citizen. It's just that one quote from Oprah Winfrey.
You want to be in the driver's seat of your own life, because if you're not, life will drive you.
That's it for today's video. Once again, my name is John. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
USA Monde.